Let's start drawing with the eyes. Really simple, follow along. There are 4 key alignments. For this first one, line up the nose with the bottom of the eyes like this. For the second alignment, draw these parts at the same width. We build the drawing in the sketch, and as we reinforce the lines, he starts coming to life. Let's add some colors, otherwise it's not really him. Third alignment. Don't let this part of the body get wider than the eyes, so he stays on model. Last alignment. Draw this at the same height. That's what looks in a great looking character. Don't skip finishing up with small details adjustments. That's where the quality of drawing really comes from.